Hey, so what is up, guys? What is going on? It is spring now. You can see the trees are just sprouting, and well, quads have been pretty much dormant the entire winter, and so I'll be getting them out today, including the Moto-4 back there, which hasn't been started in about almost 2 years. So we're gonna try to get her running and see if she starts. Probably will. I have faith, but first we're just gonna have to get this bumper off and everything, and we'll put the batteries in to the quads and get them running. Alright, so first we got the Grizzly. She is very dusty, you can see, but I got the battery in here. See if she turns over. You got power. The battery might be a little weak. Ah, she runs fine. It's awesome. I'll get her back together. Alright, now time for the King Quad. It always starts, I believe in it. As usual, you can always trust this girl. You also gotta remember to check the tires on these two bikes. So, Grizzly, here good. Get over here. Same thing with here. And get over here. But King Quad, get all here. Get here. Yeah, this one might pump it up a little bit. This one's kind of shot. So we're gonna go fill this puppy up. Anyone else just have air on the side of their house? But yeah, let's get her pumped up because she's not running many PSIs. Let's check. Oh yeah, she's flat. Let's get her to about 10, 15. Might be a leak. Still not detecting any. Seems fine though, so yes, we're good. Yeah, so we got the battery in. It doesn't exactly fit, but this bracket's a little weird, and also this is the battery we've always been using, so not exactly sure how else it's supposed to go. But alright, just get her tightened up and see if she starts. Alright, so she's all connected. Now, I did move her a little bit, just dragged her out of here, but let's try and see if she'll start under her own power. If not, we'll try to help her with the pull start, but see if she has any power at all. Oh, she has power. That's a power. Neutral is not coming on. Let's see if we can... Ah, she is in neutral. Let's see if she'll start. She's clicking, she won't start. Choke. Now we just don't have power. Let's get a jumper. Alright guys, so I got it. Positive is there. The negative is holding on literally by a thread. You can see that? Yeah, because it's like broken off. Yeah, so it's barely holding on. Let's turn her over. We got a lot of more power now. So let's start her up. And she starts right up. Awesome. So guys, we finally have her running again after 2 years of sitting. So that's 2 years of sitting with 3-year-old gas in it, I believe. That's crazy. Gas is older than some of my family members, but she runs decently. She could be running a little better. Yeah, she's maybe still a little cold, but look at this. We got spider webs in here. It's just crazy. There's even moss growing on the tires. I don't know if you can see. mold. That is just, wow, that is crazy. But yeah, she's just been in hibernation. You can see this headlight's been banged out for a while now. I'm gonna get looking at replacing that. I'm not sure, but I feel like a headlight from a Big Bear, one of the older Big Bears, or a Timberwolf might be able to fit. If any of you know, let me know. Because like, yeah, she's a little cracked, but at least repainting this, and maybe just the plastics, get some red spray paint, so at least she's still red. Oh wow. The fact that she runs, oh my gosh, look how rotted the tires are. Yeah, I think we need new tires altogether. And she's been sitting on a stump. The front tires have been on a stump, but it's still very impressive that she runs. Let's get her going. Get the tires replaced. There's a lot of work to be done, mostly cosmetic. So yeah, she used to be beige. They didn't have a red 1988 Moto-4, but definitely we're working on that because she runs well. She's pretty healthy. Although I'd like to put some new gas in there because stuck open for a while. There we go. Yeah, I don't think that gas is still good. There's a lot of it in there though. I don't know. It doesn't sting or anything. Is it supposed to? I don't know. But yeah, the rear brakes were fine. The front brakes, they barely work. Maybe I'll replace them. Are the pads even there? Let's check that. I don't know. We got drums. So. Yeah. We might want to get working on that. Oh look, there's a spider. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a spider. But yeah. Let's fill her up with some air and maybe even take her on a test ride, because why the hell not? Yeah, so she runs, but she chugs. She doesn't run all that great. She's got gas, she's got a lot of gas, but this gas is definitely weak because choke is almost all the way out and she runs at basically regular idle. This is how she's supposed to be idling, but choke's almost all the way out, so she's getting a lot of gas right now and it's not very explosive. Yeah, like, look at this. I'll pull it all the way out. And she runs well. She does go up, but she's very sluggish with it. So we definitely need some better gas in here. So let's just take her on a little ride. See how well she does. But the fact that she's still running is still impressive, you gotta admit. Oh, is that coal or something? Yeah, that tire rubs along the winch, so might want to get her some smaller tires, because I don't think she needs tires this big, especially if they're rubbing against that winch.
somehow. We like, whoa, let's go. She still runs very well, but, well, for 3-year-old gas, I'm surprised she's running. This has to be like the Land Cruiser or the Hilux of ATVs, although that's widely considered to be the Honda 4Trax 300. If that's the Land Cruiser, this is definitely the Patrol, the Nissan Patrol of those. Because, damn, I am still very impressed considering she's this old and the gas is this old. This is some of the worst gas you can have. Like this thing, last time this was filled up was when Biden was still president, which is absolutely insane to think about. Wow. She's rough, but we'll get her back in shape before I go to college. Speaking of which, the Grizzly might have to go soon because I'm going to college after the spring, so yeah, and I won't really have time to ride her anymore. And if I do, we have the Moto-4, we have the King Quad, and we also have the KLR. So there really won't be a point of me keeping this and trying to maintain it. It's just going to be more of a headache, and I won't be able to ride it that much anyways. So might pass her off to the next lovely owner and get my money back on her. Hopefully, but that's fine. She was good to me, and maybe she still will be. I don't know if she's really gonna go, but I'll have to talk to my dad about it because I probably won't be home that much anymore. It's unfortunate. 3 years, almost 3 years, 2.5 years of owning this bike and putting hundreds of miles on it. Only like 400 miles or so, or maybe even, no, I think 500 miles actually, which is crazy. But these bikes are going nowhere. We're going to continue using them. We're going to continue driving them. These things are all reliable. This thing's pretty reliable too, but I've had a few minor issues, but I would absolutely buy another one. But alright guys, I'm gonna put these things back. Hope you enjoyed. Just a quick video just to keep the channel running, because that's also another thing. The channel might become dormant soon. I'll talk about that. I'll probably make a separate video on it. But yeah, that's it. So peace out guys.